Far out in the vast open ocean, some of the greatest giants ever to have lived on Earth glide silently through the deep. Whales. Some grow longer than a city bus, with hearts the size of a small car. Yet these immense creatures often feed on tiny shrimp-like krill, filtering millions every day through delicate baleen plates. When they surface to breathe, their powerful blows send misty columns high into the air, visible for miles. In the quiet immensity of the sea, these gentle beasts move with a grace and power that still leaves us in awe. Pretty wild, right?